Morning, ma'am. I'm Dharmika. I'm here to explain about the problems on Poisson distribution. Let us see. Calculate the fit Poisson distribution given following data. So X used for the frequencies 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and more. This is open-ended frequencies. In those are frequencies. So F is 4, 14, 23, 23, 18, 9 and 9. It's used for frequencies. So in this problem, first we can calculate mean. So in this mean we can calculate, we use this formula m is equal to sigma fx and divided by n. So it's nothing but x is taken for 0 to 6 and f is taken from the 4, 14, 23, 23, 18, 9 and 9. It will be total of n is 100. Then fx means f into x is equal to fx. So 4 into 0 it will be 0. 14 into 1 14. Likewise. So total of sigma fx is 300. Calculate the mean. So mean is sigma fx divided by n means 300 divided by total of n is 100. So mean is 3. So we can calculate the mean, but we can calculate the e raised to power of minus 3. Minus 3 is nothing but e power of minus m is e power of minus 3. It is nothing but 0.04979 we can taken. In this table we can take the e raised to minus 3 value. So 3.0 it is negative value. So minus 3 value is 3 means 3.0 value. So 0.049787 we can taken. In this we can taken from the value of e raised to minus 3. So next we can calculate the Poisson distribution or Poisson distribution. First we can calculate the Poisson probabilities. Calculate all the Poisson probabilities. Mean we can calculate. Without mean we cannot calculate the Poisson probabilities. So we can also already calculate the mean. So next we can calculate the Poisson probabilities, or we can consider for 0 to 6. So first we can calculate the probabilities, Poisson probabilities. When the Poisson distribution we can calculate these formula e raised to minus m then into m power of r then r factorial. So when taken from the r is 0, then the formula can be applied and it will be shown as e power of m minus m into m power of r then r factorial. 0.04979 into 3, then r is considered as 0, we can taken from 0, then 0 factorial. It will be considered as 1 factorial. We can 0 consider as 1. So it will be multiplied with 1. So 0.04979 it will be answer. Then P of r is equal to, when r is taken from the 1, use this formula, then we can calculate 0.04979.3, then r value is 1. So 3 into 1 it will be 3. Then 1 factorial it will be 1. Then it will be multiplied and divided by 1. Then it will be answer P of 1 is 0.14937. Then if taken from r is 2, then e raised to minus m into minus m power of r then r factorial. 0.04979.3 power of 2 means 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Then 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1. It will be multiplied by 9 and divided by 2. Then P of 2 is equal to 0.2241. If consider as r is 3, then a value is r, when a value is e raised to minus 3 minus m value, then into m power of r, then r factorial. E raised to minus m means 0.04979, 0.3 raised to 3 means 27 into 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1, then divided by 6, it will be taken as 0.2241. Then if r is 4, then what will be the value? Then e power of minus m, then m power of r, then r factorial. When 0.04979 into 3 power of 4 means 81, then 4 factorial is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then it will be consider as 4.03299 divided by 24. We taken from the r value is 0.1680. Then p of r is equal to 5. Andre it means r is equal to 5, then p of r is equal to e power of minus m value is 0.04979 into m power of r, it means 3 power of 5, it consider as multiplied with 243, it will be comes. Then 5 factorial is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, it will be the value is 120. Then 0.04979 into 243, it will be 12.0989. Then p of r is equal to 0.1008. Then if r is considered as 6, p of r is equal to e raised to minus m, then m raised to r, then r factorial. It will be 0. It will be comes from 0.04979 into 3 power of 6, then 6 factorial. It comes from 729, and 6 factorial is nothing but 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then it will becomes 36.2969 multiplied by 0.04979 into 729, it will comes from 36.2969. Then 6 factorial comes from 720. The p of 6 is 0.05 and 04. We can calculate all the Poisson probability. Let us discuss about, we can calculate what is and more. Means we can calculate these 6 Poisson probabilities up to 6. Then and more is it nothing but it is open-ended frequency. So open-ended frequency is nothing but it will be considered as 7 and more. And more means 7 and more. So if summation comes to 1, the probability is considered as it will be we can calculate the minus there all the Poisson probabilities to the 1, means 1 minus all the Poisson probabilities, like 1 minus p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3 plus p of 4, then p of plus p of 5 plus p of 6. It will be considered as 1 minus all value of Poisson probabilities, like 0.04979 plus 0.1494 plus 0.2241 plus 0.2241 plus 0.1680 plus 0.1008 plus 0.0504. it will comes from, then all add the Poisson probabilities, it will be comes 0.96659, it comes around. Then 1 minus 0.96659, it will be the Poisson probability is 0.03341. If we consider as 7 and more, it is also calculated. Expected frequency we can calculate, means if comes under Poisson probability, it will be multiplied with n, means 100. N means it is 100. N, it will be multiplied with 100. So we can see in there P of x into n means 0.04979 into 100, it will be comes around 4.98. It will be considered as 5. So all we calculate 0.1494 into 100, it will be 14.94 comes, then it will be considered as 15. Then 0.2241 into 100, 22.41, it will be considered as 22. Then 0.224 as it is. Then 0.1680 into multiplied with 100, it will be 16.80. So it will be considered as 17. 0.01008 into 100, it will be comes around 10.08. It will be taken from 10. Then 0.0504 into 100, it will be 5.04. It will be considered as 5. So number of frequency is 100 minus their 96. What will be comes around it will be comes around 4. It will be decided at expected frequency of 7 and more is. So it will be comes around 4. Thank you, ma'am.